Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Miss Lola's Hair and More. I'm Miss Lola, also known as the Magic Wig Maker. Today I am making my very first braid turban wig. I purchased these crochet box braids from Amazon.com. Instead of using the usual crochet method, I am going to sew these braids onto the wig cap that I've designed so that they will lie flatter. I'm still experimenting with the cap design, so as usual, I'm going to create as I go and hope that it turns out the way that I want it to. So please stay tuned as I create as I go. Okay, honestly, you guys, what do you think about my first attempt at making a turban braid wig? I had to go back and make some adjustments. I took that the stitching out here because it didn't fit right, so I just let it hang loose. I put a little tuck in the back and it fits really good. And I'm liking this. I can put it on and wear it. And then when I get ready to do my yard work or something else that I need to do where I'm going to be sweating, I can take it off. This is so different for me. I haven't worn braids in years, but that is a trend that I think I'm going to like. And this little turban wig, by the way, I put a comb right up there, and that helps to hold it onto my own hair. I like this. I hope that you guys like it too. I'm still going to work on it to perfect it, because there's some things I know that I can do to make it fit and even look even better, and even with different textures of hair and different colors of hair. So please stay tuned and come back again to see what I'm going to be doing with these turban wigs. And listen, everyone, I am so thankful that my channel is really growing with viewers and subscribers, but I'm still under 10,000 subscribers, and I look at some of these other channels and I see they've got like 125,000, 400,000. I was like, oh my goodness, how are they able to achieve that? And I know it is with continuing to bring you good content, things that you like, that you want to share and tell others. So please do that. Tell others about my channel so that they can subscribe. And I'm hoping before the end of the year, I will have 10,000 subscribers, because right now I've got almost 7,000. So if you've not done so already, please subscribe, like, comment. Please comment. Let me know what you think about this turban wig, and if you've got suggestions on how I can improve it, just let me know what you think. I really appreciate how everybody is commenting, and I reply to all comments because I love you guys, and I'm so thankful that you take the time to give me a comment or to voice your opinion. Don't forget to like, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always know when I'm doing something new and different. Thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Have a blessed day and take care. Bye-bye.